Hello, my fellow Aldi addicts. It's Jackie. It's another week, which means I'm back at Aldi. It's been a little crazy at my house lately with surgery, traveling, and then 2 snowstorms back to back, but we're thawing out and we're ready for Thanksgiving, or I'm going to be ready for Thanksgiving. I get to celebrate twice, one with my family and one with my husband's family. We have 2 different Thanksgivings to go to, so I'm going to get all the goodies for the week, including our normal meals. So let's get in the store, see what they have, and any recipe I mention is going to be linked below in the description. Let's go. What's more Christmassy than popcorn tins? My husband's making Chex Mix and he asked me to get Cheez-Its, $3.89. I'm also getting for his Chex Mix peanuts, $1.95. We never know if these will be here when we make Chex Mix or not, but my son loves them. $1.09. He will be thrilled. I only have to pack lunches 2 days this week. $3.49 for freeze-dried strawberries. This will be great. Getting tortilla chips for burrito bowls this week. We'll have chips and salsa on the side. $1.79. White bread for toast, Cheez-Its, or grilled cheese, lots of things, 95 cents. And then my 6-year-old requested we have hot dogs and mac and cheese for dinner. That's pretty much what he'll ask for if I give him an option. So we're having hot dogs, 99 cents. I wanted green onions, but they're out. But I have cilantro for burrito bowls, 85 cents. I am bringing fresh fruit for Thanksgiving, but I'm gonna get it closer to Thanksgiving so that it is actually fresh then. Because I don't ever trust that it's gonna last that long. But I'm also bringing vegetables, and I'm gonna get, they don't have cauliflower. I'm gonna have to do obviously another haul later this week. If you guys wanna see a mini haul, let me know in the comments. But I am gonna get broccoli, and this is $1.65 a pound. Hi. Great, how are you? I'm gonna get 3 cucumbers at 69 cents each. Oops. I'm going to get baby carrots, 79 cents. And I'm also gonna get spinach for $1.79 because we're having ramen this week, and this is a really good topper. $2.77 for a gallon of milk, whipped cream for hot chocolates, and $4.69 for heavy whipping cream. I was hoping they had limeade, but they don't, just lemonade. So I'm gonna get strawberry lemonade, and this is $2.15, and this is really great to mix with Element electrolytes, which are sponsoring this video. Element is an electrolyte mix that is scientifically backed to help individuals, whether you're a stay-at-home mom like me, all the way up through Olympic athletes, stay hydrated. I love to have the unflavored Element while I'm fasting, but my absolute favorite are their delicious flavors in my eating window. I love that I can add the raw unflavored Element to my full day fast. It's simply magnesium, potassium, and sodium. There's no fillers, no artificial ingredients, sugar, no junk. It's just the electrolytes. It's gonna help me stay hydrated and keep me going. Right now, Element is offering my listeners a free sample pack with any order. That's 8 single-serve packets free with any Element order. This is a great way to try all 8 flavors or share Element with a salty friend. Get yours at drinkelement.com/fastingfoodie. This deal is only available through my link. You must go to drinklmnt.com/fastingfoodie. Thank you so much to Element for sponsoring this video. I'm also getting cottage cheese just to snack on. I love this stuff, $2.45. We have options for our spread butter. 45 ounces, say 15 ounces is $2.99. So I was hoping for the big guy. That would have made me very happy. I'm in charge of making mashed potatoes for Thanksgiving at my in-laws. So $2.89, great price for 10 pounds. I cannot believe they have French style green beans. I'm gonna get 6 cans of these for green bean casserole, 49 cents a piece. I'm getting a thing of kidney beans for minestrone soup, 76 cents. And I'm also gonna get a thing of garbanzo beans to put in there. I know it's not traditional, but my daughters and I like beans. And I'm making half with beans, half without, 76 cents. 71 cents for black beans for burrito bowls. Is anyone else like me? I always feel bad for the dented cans, so I always buy them because I feel like everyone else won't. I'm gonna get 2 large avocados for burrito bowls, 79 cents a piece. Nice. I'm getting Dijon mustard for homemade dressings. $1.09. A zucchini for the minestrone soup, $1.29. A must for burrito bowls in our house, $1.49 black olives. Pretzel sticks for Chex Mix, $1.78. $7.79 for maple syrup. Rice Chex for Chex Mix, $2.19. And also crispy oats for $1.29. They have all these holiday things back. So they have Little Debbie Christmas trees. I used to love those, $2.58. Little snack packs, cinnamon graham packs and vanillas. They have these Alive Pets. My kids used to love these. A bunch of big stuffies and these smashers, which I do think I'm going to get this for my son for Christmas. These are $24.99, but he loves this for Christmas. He loves these kind of things. So if you have a 5-6-year-old boy, even 4, great gift idea. There is an emergency of some sort and everyone's surrounding the bathroom, so it's a little dramatic and loud here. I'm sorry if you hear that. Also, just not sure what's going on, but hopefully everyone is all right at the store. I absolutely love this. I think it is so pretty. A serving tray. They have it in circle and squares. They're $15 each. Beverage tubs, lots of serving items, hosting. Holiday, merry and bright. These are really cute. Signs. I got these at the end of last season, and my husband was just remarking at how great they are for him. He loved them, and I liked them too. Well, he had the men's. Those are the ladies, but they work really good. Squishmallow neck pillows. These are adorable. They have the fake Squishmallows here. Different gift guides, lots of toys out now. It's kind of busy in here, so I can't show everything. This is funny. Love is Dead. Everyone's dying to find their soulmate. Sounds like a really funny game. $19.99. Okay, so they have village houses here. I was hoping to find the Aldi, but I don't think I'm going to be in luck. Nope, they all have toy shops. And a tree shop. No Aldi. Dang it. I wanted to gift it. It's chaotic. I'm sorry, but I thought these looked really cute too. These boots. If I was in need, I'd get them. $30. My favorite rice. I just ran out this weekend. $5.45. Definitely need it for burrito bowls. My son specifically wanted white cheese, white mac and cheese. So we're getting $1.65, 2 boxes for dinner. I am getting these 6-in-1 festive sprinkles for when we make cookies. They're super cute. Let's see, $3.98. Marshmallows for hot chocolate, 89 cents. I need more cocoa, $1.84. And one thing that I have not been able to find at Aldi lately, even in the holidays now, is marshmallow fluff. Does your Aldi still carry it? I was going to get it for a fruit dip, but I'm going to make it brown sugar instead of marshmallow now. No big deal. I'm just curious. So on that note, I need to get brown sugar because I'm out. $1.49. I'm getting the French onions. I'm making green bean casserole. I make it homemade, except for this part, and I love the Aldi version. So good. $2.09. Oh my Lanta, it feels like Christmas. There is a single pack of chicken breast that's 30% off. Is it the best deal ever? No. Will I still buy it? Yes. It's hot beverage season, and I need more coffee. Breakfast blend, it's $4.89. A travesty hit. We had a snowstorm and we ran out of hot chocolate, so I'm gonna get probably 3 of these, always with the marshmallows. $1.49 each. Surprise, surprise, so many turkeys. It's on sale here. Also duck and ham. I'm a turkey Thanksgiving lover. What about you guys? There's all the seafood. There's creamy shrimp, or stuffed shrimp with creamy jalapeno. Crab rangoons, different garden medley, $1.99 for that. Let's see, eggplant and grana padano. Probably butchered that, but flatbread. It looks yummy, $5.49. This beef and gravy, I've never had it. I've heard good things. Let's see, dinner rolls, we saw those earlier. Petite potatoes and sweet potatoes. This always reminds me of family get-togethers. Cocktail shrimp, cranberry smoothie, jalapeno poppers, mini pancakes. Actually, I think I'm gonna get those just to have in our freezer. $3.14. My husband loves this medium fresh cut salsa. $3.19 for burrito bowls, of course. Holiday macarons. They're $7.99. Let's see, there's apple berry blossoms, donuts, pumpkin pie, layered frozen desserts. Uh-oh, someone left this open. It wasn't me. They have, let's see, different ice creams. Chocolate almond and peanut butter, $2.99 a piece. I am looking to see if there is a Gouda I wanted, and this one looks really good. $3.89 for smoked Gouda. They don't have tangerine, they just have strawberry, but let's say a prayer. They have my unflavored bottles. Are you saying the prayer with me? One. I see one. Oh my gosh, there's more than one. There's a lot of them, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get as many of these as I can. I'm gonna get a couple of the lemon lime and all of the unflavored, 78 cents a piece. But I'm gonna mix this with the lemonade and my Element. Okay, I'm also gonna get the Celsius drink. I was actually asked, I wear a continuous glucose monitor to test my glucose while I drink this, so I'm gonna get one to test. I do that on my fasting channel if you're interested. It's Intermittent Fasting Foodie, but I'm gonna get this for $1.98. Oh, I haven't noticed these yet. I always love the chocolate Pringles. They're so cute. I think they're great stocking stuffers, $2.69. I wonder if my husband wants these for his Chex Mix. They're $1.99. I'm gonna text him. I wish they had rye chips. These are so cute too. They have faux fur. It's a 2-pack and they're $14.99 a piece. I might have to get those for my girls for Christmas. They also have regular socks. Lots of socks in store now. I need ice cream to make $6.19. Here's my cart. Any guesses on the total? And don't forget, I am shopping later this week too. Everything was $125.35. Okay, our meals for the week. We are starting with leftovers. This is the meal I made this weekend. This was basically like chicken and drop dumplings. We have so much left over. We're having it again for dinner tonight, but I'm actually going to make mashed potatoes to go with that as well. I'm having ramen, which we get from an Asian food store around here. So it's better than like top ramen, but it's still, you know, not the healthiest. But I'm going to have a lot of fresh toppers and shredded chicken to put on top. So kind of a build your own ramen bowl. We're having burrito bowls. We're having minestrone soup and rolls. I use the Rhodes frozen rolls. I buy them in like a 72 count pack. I just bought a new one. My son absolutely loves them. And speaking of my son, I asked him for a dinner idea, and he, without a doubt, I shouldn't even be surprised, he asked for hot dogs and white mac and cheese. And then we are also going to 2 Thanksgivings this week, one at my aunt's house and one at my mother-in-law's. And for my mother-in-law's, I'm bringing green bean casserole and mashed potatoes. And then to my aunt's house, I'm taking a fresh fruit and fresh veggie platter with dip for both of them. If you're interested in seeing how I make a homemade green bean casserole, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.